Hello guys, today I'm gonna record a new video about Minecraft Skywars, but it's Kit. It's a new map. I like to use the invisibility, the trapper, because it has invisibility. And yeah, let's get into this video. And also, I will be doing 100 days video soon with my brother. So yeah, be tuned for that. I don't know whatever I just said, but alright, I'm dead for sure. I am dead for sure. Yes, I think I'm dead for sure. No, I'm just dead. You build it. Please don't build. If he build it, then I could have died. Oh, let's go. What the heck, guys? Guys, I just got this. I'll see you. So, guys, I just selected the Void Walker because I'm pretty bad at pearls. So yeah, that's why. You know. Oh my god. Please, pearl. Whoa. No. I don't need that. Yes, and yes. And yes. What? Come on, Mike. Should I go for that guy? Yeah, I think I would. I'm walking in the void. Bro, why are you so laggy? Why are you so laggy? Why are you so laggy? No, he's gonna respawn, yeah. Nerd, die. Oh, no. Bye. I need another life. Really, thanks. Oh. I'm scared. Oh, yes, no, what? No. Bro, can you stop talking in my vid? It's my video. Shut up. Oh no. Sorry, nerd. Oh my god. What? No. Stop doing that. I swear if you're gonna boom. Bob. What? Come on, Mike. I don't care if I get what the nerd. I might die. I'm out like that. Don't. Oh my god, you creeped the hell out of me. You creeped the hell out of me. Let's do the baller. I like the baller. 2. This map. Why does this map get chosen always? Oh. Who did that? No, stop. Bro, stop, bro. No. Please be quiet. Alright, this is the worst. And worst. Well, I'm dying from these teams. And I don't like it. Yeah, I hate gold. That's why I hate the gold. No. Please. Yeah! I'm dead. Heal up with this. I do. I already know. And comboed mine. But still, I didn't get anything good except for this thing. Oh, I have the ballers. Please build. I have ballers. Build. If he has the void walker, I'm actually gonna be so mad. I'm gonna crush my TV. Oh yeah, this map again. Now I died. Oh, this might be my last game, and then I mean I'm gonna select all of these. These redone, and except for these both. I'll do the builder first. I didn't even try the planker yet. What even is this? Speed boost.
Yeah.
Please stop talking in my video.
Okay.
Bop, bop, bop.
Beat him up. That's why you're more.
What? No way.
More subscribers than me because.
Oh my god, please be stacked. And I'm not. Yeah, no. This is bad. Really bad. Beret. This is like the worst luck. Oh yeah, I forgot this happens. You get full cowboy loaded of stone.